What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a virtual quarantine masterclass. I have Trinity here with me. We've been dying to dance. I've been wanting to teach class so bad, obviously. All the studios are closed down. I hope you guys are staying home and staying safe, but I decided to come into the loft today and I'm gonna be actually making a dance video with all of your guys' submissions to put on the second channel. So once you learn this routine, make sure you upload it, use the hashtag so we can find them, and we're gonna make a compilation. It's gonna be amazing.
Quarantine.
Right, Trin?
Masterclass.
Quarantine compilation. This is something I'm gonna try to do obviously as often as possible, but it's a little bit tough right now. If you wanna take your dancing to the next level because you're sitting at home and you want something to do, now's the time. I'm gonna put some links below to an email list. If you're interested in finding out about more online classes, training, and also a number you can text me. I'm gonna be sending out all the information on my upcoming courses and training program that you guys can do online. So make sure you text me or email me so we can stay in touch.
Shall we start?
I think we should dance. All right guys, so we're gonna start from the top. It starts on 7/8, and this is a brand new song, so even though I never know the lyrics, I especially don't know them this time.
Well, we know it's by Drake.
It is by Drake, and he does say black leather glove first.
Ooh,
we have that much to go on. That's about it. From there, it's all downhill. But what we're gonna do is start on our left foot, and on black leather glove, you're gonna step on your left, and we're just flipping our hand in like this. So it goes black leather glove. You're gonna step on your right foot and go out with that right hand, little magic fingers. Then you come back in, and it's gonna bring you up to this like shrug. Then he's gonna say something about buckles on a jacket. That's all I know. You're gonna go here and here. So your right hand comes on top as you step on your left foot. Then you switch it to the other side, click. Then you're gonna come around to here. You're gonna pop your chest, gink, gink, little lean. Then you're gonna go 7, 8. And that left hand to your head, your right hand falls behind. So let's get that first 8 count again. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Then you're gonna go across your leg like this, rowing. 3, and boom, and skirt with your heel. So when you're catching these, you wanna make this kind of big. So from here, really lean with this. Shoom, and click. Now we have 3 fast beats. You're gonna go toe, and your hands flip in. So that's toe and wrist at the same time. Bop. Then your knee, just the leg, is gonna go in, out, and we're gonna add this hand to it. So it's going toe, you're gonna go click, click. That part's a little fast, so you wanna make sure you really get that deep, deep, deep. Get that rhythm down. Show them. Bah, zoom, ta, ta. Yes, just like that, perfect. 5 from the top, 6, you go 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, ka, ka, ta, ta, doom, doom, ta. Nice. All right, from here, going on. We think he says peace. I hope so, because we're gonna go peace and head, and then you're gonna step forward, and arms are gonna go here and smack. But this is gonna go left and smack and jump back together. So this kind of is where after you do the whole D, 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 it sort of gets a little more chill and like full out. You're going peace and head and chill and smack and back. And wow, your leg got really up high. I said, whoa. That's extra credit. My leg's gonna be right here. If y'all wanna join me down here, level 1, I'll be here with you. I got you. For all the folks that can't get the leg up there, you know what I'm saying? Here, and then we add this little thing at the end, just a little bounce back. Good. Then from here, super easy. You're just gonna go to the right, to the left. You're gonna double to the right. And this is gonna set us up for the little right foot, left foot, that whole part. So let's go from the top up to there, make sure we got it, and then we'll add this last part on. 5, 6, you go 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 6, D, D, da, peace, 1, 2, head, and you, and hit, and 1, 2, 3, and a you, double, double. Hey, okay, good job so far. Last part, and this is like super easy. I don't really know the deal if this is like the official dance, but this is the one everybody's been doing. And I sent a clip, actually they asked me to send a clip over to Drake for like the video, so I don't know if I'm gonna be in it, but if you see me in there, if not, then I must not have made the cut, that's cool. But this is how it goes from what I can tell. Whoever did the choreography, shout out, credit to them. This is right foot and heel and left foot and slide. So we kind of just added some hands with it. So all we're doing is going, left hand is out. We're just going towards our foot, towards our heel, left hand, slide. And then the same thing the other way. You go left foot, heel, right foot, slide. Then we're gonna speed it up. So on this faster version, if you try to do the hands full out, you're gonna look crazy. So just like kind of chill the hands, like mini hands. Shout out Chicago footwork. You're just doing mini hands. So you're going, beep, bam, bop, and zoom, and scat, and doom, and dot, and zoom, and scat. Yep. All right, then the last part, really easy. You're just gonna hit down and clap like this. So your knees are just going left, right, dot, dot. You're adding the hands down and clap. Yep. And then we're gonna slide towards each other. So you have this like 5, 6, 7, shoom. And that's just the setup for our little ending. I'll show you what we did and you can take it if you want, or you can make your own. But basically on that last 5 where we're starting to slide, the beat cuts out. So if you're doing it solo, you wanna like boom, do something that's kind of like chill and can set you up for when that beat comes back in. Then from here, I twisted her head, shoulders, hips and feet, pull back, 3 bases, doom, doom, doom. And then we hit this little boom, and this little Michael Jackson, and then a little, yeah. But that's just like ending. You can freestyle, do whatever you want there. The actual choreography ends after here, and then you do whatever you want. Good job, you guys. That's the whole thing. We're gonna go back from the top nice and slow, put it all together, and then we'll do it one time fast to make sure you're ready for the music.
Yeah.
Oh, you were talking.
I
thought you were telling me a secret. You don't have to tell it that loud. Sorry for people with headphones.
Yeah.
There you go. That's better. All right, do you want to say from the top?
From the top.
Yeah, there it is. All right, here we go. Start on, if you said 7, you get 1 billion points. Billion points. Congratulations. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5 and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. D, dot, peace, and head, and yeah, and clap, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Left and yeah, right foot, hey, and left foot, slide, left foot, kick and heel, and kick and slide faster. D, and D, dot, and D, and D, dot, and boom, and choom. 7, 8, do some cool stuff, freestyle, go. Yes, bonus points if you end up doing that.
What?
All right, so that was like 75, maybe 78% speed. It's a little bit faster than that. So if you guys are ready, should we go from the
top?
Okay, got it. Start on 7, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, ka, doom, ka, doom, ka, dee, ka, boom. And A, and yeah, and 1, 2, hit, and a left, and a hit, right foot, and a left, slide, and a hey, and a slide, speed it up, and dee, ta, and doom, ka, dee, ta, and doom, ka, boom, and hey, 6, 7, and boom, ta, boom. Michael Jackson. All right, guys, that was the whole thing. Make sure you learn it, upload your covers, because we're gonna be making a compilation video of everyone dancing it. I'm gonna put it up on the 2nd channel, so post it, tag me in it so I can find it, use the hashtag. Make sure you guys stay inside, stay safe, dance in your living room, in your bedroom. I haven't been able to teach any classes, so I've been going a little crazy, but I'm glad we at least got to do this today. And if you guys are interested in more online training stuff, I'm gonna put links below to an email list and also a text number that you can hit up. I'm gonna be trying to do as much stuff for you guys as possible while we're all quarantined. Love you. Thanks for coming, Trin. Thanks for helping me out today. elbow.